Hi everyone, I hope you're doing really well and that you're getting lots of painting time in as we head towards the end of the year. I want to let you know about something special, and it's just for you, my lovely students, YouTube community and my email subscribers. As a thank you for all your support, your comments and your enthusiasm for painting, I'm holding an exclusive Christmas sale of my original hand-painted artworks. These are all original pieces painted by me, mostly in oils, but a few in acrylics, and they include still lifes and landscapes, all created as part of my daily painting practice. Many of them are painted on A4 size specialty canvas textured oil paper, and there are lots of pieces on 5x7 inch boards. They're all ready to frame, and each one's totally unique. Every painting is marked on the website at €175, but as a special thank you offer to you, I'm giving you an exclusive 30% off. But you have to use the private discount code at checkout, and that's in the message that I sent you. This code is just for you and isn't available anywhere else. Shipping is free within Ireland and only €10 for anywhere else. The sale will run for 1 week only, so if there's a painting you've had your eye on, now is definitely the time to grab it. Just click on the link below to visit my online sales gallery, enter the code at checkout and enjoy the discount. Thank you again for being here, for watching and for sharing this painting journey with me. I hope you have a peaceful, creative and colourful Christmas, and I hope you find a painting you'll love. Talk soon, happy painting, and thank you for being there to support me.